Photosynthesize.
And then we got this direction, which had Kerry scared this direction, but this direction. Good.
Don't put that in.
Are you excited? What the hell are you doing? Yeah.
Nice, man. Yeah.
Nice. Come on, Kerry. Come on. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice job.
Nice job.
Thanks. That was bad beta. I don't think people grabbed that hold. It would have been much easier to just grab the crimp.
Nice. There, come on. You got it. Keep breathing.
Nice. Come on.
Come on, Maya. Yep. Yeah, Maya.
Oh my god, I'm so incredibly flash pumped. I literally almost fell. I'm like at the last 10 moves.
Nice. Did you breathe it all?
I'm afraid.
Of what?
Death.
By flash pump?
Falling.
You're probably over gripping too.
Yeah, because I didn't know where any of the holds are. I didn't even look at the ones around the corner.
Oh.
I just saw you reach in that direction and was like, there's a hold there. Mistakes. I'm really out of breath.
Oh, I see our whoopers. There they are. Kerry, what boulder are we trying right now?
This is the game. I'm spending too much time with you guys.
Yeah, where we just lie all the time, you mean?
We're actually in Sayus.
We're roping up for bibliography.
This is the crux hold of bibliography.
Where do you start?
Left hand and the obvious like
This?
chalk side pull, yeah, and then right hand just, yep. There's a really good foot. Like you perch on that foot higher. Yeah, and then I also find like a left foot. Right, yes.
You mean it's not here?
And then I have like super whack beta for running scared. I like come in like this.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It's very weird. I don't recommend. And then grab this, and then grab that.
To go this way.
Yes.
Yeah, where you going?
We're getting there. And then left hand, right hand. It's pretty easy top out. Okay. It's very fun. I don't know what I was thinking.
Yeah, me neither.
These holds are looking next level terrible.
They're bad. This has a really good thumb though. Wow.
Come on. Yeah. Come on. Super high left foot. Try your left hand. I just toed, but yeah. Come on. Fall into it. Good.
Very good, Zach.
Come on, Lance.
Come on.
Nice.
Left foot.
Nice. Cinch it. Let's go. Nice, Maya.
Nice, come on.
Oof, that is bad, bad, bad.
Then you go here, and then you go somehow do that, and you bump.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Come on,
they're high
Maya.
right foot. Really perch on it.
Yeah, perch up, perch
Come
up.
on.
Come on.
Come on. You got it, Maya.
Come on. Oh,
Ew. Come on, Zach.
come on, Zach.
Come on.
Yeah, dude.
You can get a heel. Yeah.
Ooh. Nice, Kerry.
I'm gonna give it a go.
Do it.
Come on, Kerry.
Come on. Go get it. Come on.
Come on, Gary.
Nice. Walk it through. Come on.
So good. Come on, Gary.
Yeah,
Come on.
perch up. Let's
Come
go. Come on.
So nice.
Nice, Kerry. Come on, Kerry.
Come on.
Keep
Come
breathing. Yep.
Come on, Gary. Get it. Yeah.
Come on, Kerry.
You got it.
So good.
Keep breathing. Yep. We gotcha. Go get it.
Come on.
Come on.
Gary.
Nice.
So good.
You got it. Good work.
A little pumped.
A little pumped.
But it was good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job. Yeah, for sure.
What is there?
There it
Nice.
is. Nice.
Just the second I pull on, no more chalk.
Yep.
Straight to jail.
Run out the chalk.
Straight to jail. Come on. It's on.
Yeah. Wow.
Nice, Zach.
Ooh. That's easy.
Yeah.
Good, Zach. Come on.
Yep. Go get it. Come on.
Breathe in. Yep.
Yeah,
Solid.
Zach.
Find that foot.
Perch up.
Come on. Try hard.
Come
Try
on.
hard. Yes.
Ah.
Feel great. One move at a time.
Yeah. I actually don't think I could do two of these moves in a row. I've done them each in isolation. But the thing is that I don't crimp very well, so I like to have my whole hand on it.
Different strengths and weaknesses.
Maya's strength is strength.
Yeah.
My strength is pagan poetry. So easy.
So hard.
This is impossible for me. I really like it because I can like super heckle Kerry and be like, Kerry, that boulder's so easy. Because I know that most of the time she's like, oh, it's not so bad. And I'm like, this is impossible. And when I find one I can do, I'm like, Kerry, this boulder is soft.
Nice.
Good. Come on.
Whoa. Damn, this is like straight up so hard.
Come on, Zach.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, come on. Go get it. Fueled by potato chips, dark chocolate, and Sen jams.
Some people have asked us if we are professional dancers. Good. Come on, Maya. Come on. So good. Good. Keep breathing.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Lock it in. Come on.
Oh,
It's not gonna happen.
good burn.
That was really good.
2 days later.
Good, Maya, breathe. Come on, latch it.
Let's go. Come on. Yes.
Come
Point
on.
that foot.
Yes,
Hell
come
yeah,
on!
Maya, come on.
Come on, Maya, keep breathing. Come on.
Be precise. Come on.
So strong. Breathe, girl. Yep, come on, you got this. Try hard.
Hell yeah. Come on.
Come on.
Yes.
Yeah!
She just had to speak it into existence.
Maya
Nice.
manifested this shit.
You be grabbing some crazy shit out here.
Come on.
Nice, Kerry. Very good. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, Kerry. Yes.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on.
That's it, Kerry. Go get it. Oh!
About it like that. 'Cause if you just like jump on it,
Come on.
Come on, Kerry. Yep.
Come on.
Come on, Kerry.
Yeah, go get it. Come on.
Come on.
Oh.
definitely lost a breath.
Come on.
Yeah, come on. Yep. Come
Yep.
on.
Walk your feet.
Oh, God.
Come on, Dad.
Come on.
Come on. Ooh. Again?
Dude, same thing.
Yeah. So good.
Really good.
Come on.
Come on, try hard. Yep.
Yes.
Post up.
Come on, Kerry. You
Go
got
get it. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, Kerry. Explain what's going on right now.
A split.
Oh, sorry. Fuck.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to climb without tape though.
Come on. Come on, Kerry.
Go get it. Attention.
It's so much worse. I'm fucking bleeding through the tape.
I don't know. I think I'm becoming insane and desperate right now. There's no way that I do this boulder with freaking a bloody middle finger. This is the first time that I've bled all season, which has like never happened before. Like most people don't pick out these type of climbs.
True.
Just the pain tolerance that you have to have?
There are other options.
Jesus.